Welcome back to the cabin. Sarah's tending the burn pile. Beatrice is angrily supervising, wanting to be out here. That's like 2 years worth of shingle cutoffs. Gone in 15 minutes.
Sad, isn't it?
No, not sad.
Are the shingles done yet?
The only thing left to do is up in there. Let's see where I got, and down the other side. Really, that's it.
You know I was just messing with you, right?
Were you? Yeah,
I know they're not done. Just trying to stir the pot.
You stirred it.
I think it's hot.
It's going pretty good.
It's all soaking wet.
Yeah, it's why it's
Very
smoking so
bottom
much.
is ice cold.
Check back in with you guys in a minute. Hey, get those chips, Chip Bandit. I'm not saying that because I don't want her to eat the chips. I'm saying that because I want the chips for myself.
You always put me on film when I'm eating a snack. I do other things, I promise.
I got these shades that we want to put up on these 2 doors, so we're gonna do that. We got a bunch of other random stuff we're gonna do this trip.
Can't make noise. Ooh, no more Sasquatch seeing in this front door.
You like? We're just trying to see if it fits. Actually,
Oh, hang them from above.
an eighth of an inch off of each side.
They're gonna work?
Fit perfect. Yeah.
What you up to?
Putting these ones, I gotta put these ones facing upwards because there's nothing to drill into here. And then they need a little bit of spacing, so I'm just using a piece of cardboard to space them out from the side of the windows.
Is that the cardboard that's the former window shade?
That's the former shade.
That's the gift that keeps on giving.
Yeah. Oh no.
Make it work.
Yeah.
Make it work.
The screws will just have to go at an angle. Let's just see how this goes. Hold on a sec, I need some screws.
You won't be using that.
Why? What did you do?
It was a selfie from an undercut angle and I had 17 chins.
Oh. I like all your chins.
Thanks, Mike. I can't believe guests are actually going to have privacy now. We're making this place too nice. People may actually want to stay here now.
I know.
Oh, just shut up.
It's still filming. It's just.
Oh.
It just shuts off the safe power. Stick that GoPro right in there.
Oh. I'm gonna get demoted.
No, you're not. This is more fun to watch than just a tripod shot. People will appreciate it.
Oh.
Don't tell anyone.
Well, they saw it. It's on film. Come on, big money. Come on, big money. Oh, no.
No, that's okay because I can actually slide it
salami! Yahtzee! We got a bathroom shade.
Uh-oh.
Stop it.
I don't know what's going on here.
Something stuck in there?
Oh, it's just this little thing isn't in the...
He tends to panic.
Hold on. It's just come out of there. I don't know how to fix that though.
Mountain out of a molehill.
Holy shoot. Fixed it.
He likes to dramatize everything. What were you doing? I saw you sniffing around the table. I saw her getting very close to the salami. Did you steal any salami? Wag your tail if you're guilty.
She's innocent.
Are you innocent or are you guilty? Beatrice. You guilty?
You're framing her.
Are you guilty? Wagging her tail. Salami stealer.
That's like a tampered cherry. Alright, so we got that bathroom one in, and we just did this back door. So that's nice. Got a little privacy from the animals in the woods.
Let's ask
That one. Let me get that fire going again. It's kind of warm in here already. We're gonna do the rest of them tomorrow. Alright, we got this toilet paper rack thing, so we're gonna put this on too. Sarah, does this look level?
Would you like a level?
No, I just want you to tell me if it looks level.
Looks pretty good to me. Oh, well, that's crooked.
If it's not level, it's your fault. So I asked you.
Well, that's crooked.
Because I'm drilling at an angle. There. How's that? It actually doesn't look level.
It doesn't.
It's this one. Oh, there it goes. Always ask your wife if it looks level. That way, if it's not level, it's her fault, not your fault.
I mean, we're splitting hairs. Oops.
There you go.
Oh, heck no. When did we become an under family? You put that over.
Oh.
Phew! Peace has been restored.
What are you doing, Sarah?
Nothing.
A little OCD, are you?
Just leave it.
Might want to take your poop flower spray out of the screen.
Who would that be for? It's a good amount of work done.
Yeah. It's nice to just get some stuff done. Feel good about yourself and relax.
Feels good to relax down here.
I know, I can't believe we waited so long to come back. Busy with that darn building. Alright, let's check out these shades that we got installed after we stopped filming. So we got the 2 bedroom ones. Can be kind of nice for sleeping in. And then obviously we did the door, and then we did this kitchen one just because sometimes when we have guests, they'll sleep out here in the main room and they, you know, might want to sleep in late. And then these ones are going to come in really handy when it's like super hot in the summer and you're trying to keep the place cool. That can block out a lot of direct sun, and then obviously having the one in the front door is nice. And then this one's good because it, you know, it's privacy for the bathroom, and same thing for the back door because the back porch is our auxiliary bathroom. All right, that'll be 135 gallons now of clean water since the mouse incident. We haven't really used any out of the tank. We've just been hauling water and using that to wash dishes and stuff. So slowly getting it filled up. We got to get to 300 for a full tank. All right, let's go check out the next thing I'm gonna work on while this fills up. So I've got this this window up here, and I trimmed out the fan vent, but I haven't trimmed out the window, and I made this a long time ago in the shop. It's a shop built trim because they don't do anything, they're just aesthetic. All the flashing is already there. So I want to put this up. So, looks like something's been God, nothing is easy. So I'm gonna put this up. Might as well, already made it. Something's been chewing on my workbench here. What is that, possums that chew on stuff? But we like possums because they eat the ticks. Alright, so let's go put this thing up over there. So there's a couple measurements I got to take. I've got to get the bottom of one sill to the other, and then I've got to get the thickness that I can leave. I'm gonna have to like notch. It's not gonna look that pretty, but it's way up here. So I'll have to notch out a lot of that pre-built sill. I wasn't really planning ahead when I put that fan in from the inside. I didn't think it would really be that much of a conflict. East facing array, those things are workhorses. Get so much power off of this. Even like with these trees here, the sun just like, it doesn't seem to affect their performance. The sun just gets in there when it can. Truck. So we got 3.5 to 27, and then we've got 7/8. All right, and we're just gonna jigsaw this out, and we'll get the jackery on screen, because the latest thing is like people are accosting me on like year-old videos telling me that I'm not off-grid. So and telling me that solar doesn't work. I don't really understand what's going on here. I don't know if some influential person's declared solar evil or something, but it's apparently people are telling me it doesn't work. So ooh, that's not the prettiest, but maybe 20 feet in the air. Yeah, I'll never understand the people telling me I'm not off-grid. Like literally, they don't even have to watch my videos. They can just go onto my page and like see the videos of me installing the solar and hauling water and all that stuff. I don't get it. But anyway, let's go get this thing put on. My dad gave me a lifetime supply of these awesome spiral shank siding nails, so thanks, Dad. I'm going to use them right now, because you know that you don't have enough hands to sink nails on a ladder while holding something, right? hose fell out, making my work area a little bit muddy here. I only lost about a gallon or two. All right, this thing's all ready to go. We got the nails all in there. Grab a hammer and get this thing put up. This doesn't fit because I measured from here to the top instead of from here to the top, which is super frustrating. I do that type of thing all the time, and I'm not gonna make another one of these. I'm just gonna put it up. We're gonna recut it. I'm gonna put it up, and I'm gonna maybe stain the shingle there so it doesn't show from the ground, or maybe I can cut a piece of this and just stick it in there, but it's not going to be very elegant. All right, let's check this thing out from the ground. Good from far. Far from good. But you know what? I'm all about just getting done here. Alright, now the next thing I want to do, I stained some cedar with my usual mix of 1 to 1 to 1 boiled linseed oil, turpentine, and spar urethane, and it looked really good right here. And so I want to do that in the bathroom, so we're going to do that now before we leave. We're doing that right before we take off because that is going to smell really bad, and hopefully it'll be dry by the next time we get here. Alright, well, we're not going to do that today because we're having company next week, and with no heat here all week, that stuff takes a long time to dry, and I'm not sure if it's going to smell bad or what. So, but I'm happy with what we got done. We had a fun time, and I know it's been a while since I made a video, so I want to thank whoever came back and watched this far. Thanks for watching, and sorry for not making too many videos lately. To tell you the truth, I just haven't had a ton of motivation and haven't felt all that great, but I've been working really hard on my shop and staying busy, and you know, come a time I will be making videos about this place again. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye. Hi, buddy.
Oh. Is it time to go? Is it time to go home?
Where's my food? Where's my food?